The F-15 Eagle is a legend in the sky. It is fast, powerful, and has dominated air combat for decades. However, this iconic fighter jet has a secret. It can't operate from aircraft carriers. Despite its impressive capabilities, the F-15 is designed for land-based operations. Its structure and design simply cannot handle the unique challenges of carrier life. The F-15 was built for speed and agility, with a focus on air superiority. Its large wings give it incredible maneuverability, while its powerful engines make it one of the fastest jets in the world. These features, however, make it unsuitable for the cramped and unforgiving environment of an aircraft carrier. The F-15's size is another limiting factor. It is a large and heavy aircraft, which would make it difficult to launch and recover from a carrier deck. Carrier aircraft need to be compact and lightweight to operate effectively in the confined space. The F-15's size would also limit the number of aircraft that could be carried, reducing the carrier's overall combat power. Aircraft carriers are essentially floating air bases, allowing nations to project military power across the globe. However, operating aircraft at sea presents unique challenges that land-based aircraft never face. Takeoffs and landings are particularly demanding. Carrier takeoffs require incredible power. Jets are launched into the air using a catapult system, which subjects the aircraft to immense stress. Landing is even more challenging. Pilots must hit a moving deck at a precise angle, relying on arresting cables to bring the aircraft to a sudden stop. These extreme conditions require aircraft designed specifically for carrier operations. These aircraft have reinforced airframes, strengthened landing gear, and a tailhook designed to withstand the forces of arrested landings. The F-15 lacks these crucial features, making it ill-suited for carrier duty. Let's examine the F-15's design flaws that hinder its carrier compatibility. Firstly, its landing gear, designed for smooth runways, wouldn't handle the jarring impact of carrier landings. The F-15's undercarriage is designed for long, smooth runways, not the sudden impact of a carrier deck. Secondly, the F-15's tailhook, meant for emergencies on land, is not robust enough for routine carrier landings. Carrier aircraft require a heavy-duty tailhook to catch the arresting cables and withstand repeated high-impact landings. The F-15's tailhook is simply not up to the task. Lastly, the F-15 lacks folding wings, a crucial feature for maximizing space on a crowded carrier deck. Carrier aircraft with folding wings can be stored more efficiently, allowing for a greater number of aircraft to be carried on board. In contrast to the F-15, the F/A-18 Super Hornet is a prime example of a carrier-based aircraft. It was designed from the outset for the demanding environment of carrier operations. Its robust construction, specialized landing gear, and powerful tailhook make it perfectly suited for the task. The Super Hornet's smaller size also makes it more manageable on a carrier deck. It can take off and land with relative ease, and its folding wings allow for efficient storage. This means that a carrier can deploy with a larger number of Super Hornets, increasing its overall combat capability. The F-15 Eagle, despite its aerial dominance, is not a jack of all trades. Its design, optimized for land-based operations, makes it impractical and even dangerous to operate from aircraft carriers. The Super Hornet, on the other hand, exemplifies the specialized engineering required for carrier-based aviation.